Hey guys! Okay, so you have created awesome software and can't wait to present it to the world. But you know that one of the most important pieces of information that comes along with your software is a nice instruction on how to use it. So in today's episode, I'll show you how to record an awesome software demo. One of the easiest ways to create a demo is to make a screen recording of how you are actually using the software. And one of the best apps for screen recording is ScreenRec. If you're already using the app, great. If not, simply go to screenrec.com, download and install it in less than 2 minutes. And don't forget to create a free account so that you can use all the cool features this app has, like unlimited recording and instant shareable links. Open your software and hit Alt+S in order to activate ScreenRec. The app allows you to choose a custom area for recording, or you can record your whole screen by simply dragging your mouse from one corner to the opposite. Click on the video camera button and your screen recording will start immediately. One of the best features of ScreenRec is that it can also record your mic and computer audio, so you can explain to your viewers how to use your software. One major tip when creating a software demo is to invest time in preparation. I suggest you write down a step-by-step plan and key points so that you don't miss out on some important details. And don't forget that keeping it short and to the point is essential when introducing a new software. So make sure your software demo is not too long and full of unnecessary information. If your software is more complicated, you can always create new videos explaining additional features. And you're done! With ScreenRec, you will create awesome software demos with just a few clicks. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!